I've millions of little skills and little tricks and tips and blah, 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 and I'm willing to share them all. So that's just the basic stroke, right? Right, now what I'm at half of the time is I'm playing in a thing called paradiddles or doubles. Paradiddles would be down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. That's a simple paradiddle. So da 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 da. Down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up. All right. So down, up, up. Da 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 da. Down, up, down, down, up. Right. It's like a number 8 or something. That's how I think of it. That might be too fast, but I can do it slower. Anyway, so and where I'm getting my rolls, because this is your roll usually. The way that happens is it's in this stroke, right? But so where I'm getting my rolls is in the doubles. So if I do it down, well, I call that a double, alright? So that can turn into somehow or other. So that's from, if I do doubles all the way, it'll explain it better. So Tusnai may here. See, da da da, like mama dada. Maybe I should be a bit slower. So Gobunusach, basically what I'm doing is takes forever. You get a metronome and you just practice and practice until you can go yeah, I don't want to go too fast. Sometimes that can discourage people. They can say, oh, that's impossible. It's not quite impossible. It's a doddle to start off. Starting off is straightforward and simple. It's easy to get a rhythm. Yeah, quite simple to get a rhythm.